Today we're going to put this to the test to see how it works on an actual cake. This is the front. This is epic. I cannot believe all of this stuff. Great value. So now I'm going to use the cake leveler. And you just pull it towards yourself, just a little bit of pressure. Okay, let's see how this cutting goes. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. That's the first layer leveled. I'm going to take it all the way down to the purple feet.
We previously leveled the cake. Now I'm splitting it into 2 layers. Here's me cutting the second cake into 2 layers because this is going to be a 4-layer cake.
All right, so I have my turntable. I've got 3 spatulas kind of angled. I got the 2 from the kit and 1 other. And hopefully... Oh! Huh. It stayed together. I loved how that offset spatula worked for spreading out the frosting. Now it's time the scary bit again. And wow, that's nice. I am definitely a beginner at this, and that's why I got this kit, because I've never been able to do a 4-layer cake before. All right, it's time for level 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Oh, that was so nice. Traditional knife has always been really hard to either get level or to even not mangle it in the process. The last layer is going on now. Oh, brilliant. Crumb coat the top and attempt to crumb coat the sides. Put this inside of here. I cut it here. I'm going to put this on. I put this on because that screws into place. Put this here. Invert this. All right, so now make another one. Wow, this is wicked small. Now I'm using this smaller attachment. In the bag, cut the bag, put the piping tip on. Going to screw this on. I love how nice and easy this is. And if I wanted to swap this out, I can just unscrew this, swap it out, put it on, and I don't have to refill a whole new bag, which is really handy.
This complete 90-piece all-in-one baking and decorating set is so beginner-friendly. It's so easy to use. If you're a home baker, if you're a hobbyist, if you saw a baking show on TV and said, hey, I want to do that. If you're doing home baking projects, this is going to help out so much. And I found it so boosted my creativity to have all of those different piping tips. I mean, you start to think, what could I use this for? Because I want to just try it out. And it just feel like it gives you so much design variety. And it's just going to be ideal for, birthday cakes, for celebrations, for home baking projects where you just want to give yourself a treat, because why not? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. And the cake turned out so good.
Beautiful. I cannot wait to cut into this chocolate chip banana bread cake with banana caramel and banana buttercream frosting. Let's cut into this. Cheers. Wow, that was so good. I love how much the banana comes through.
I cannot recommend this cake decorating kit enough.